Hello there, Escambia County Public School teachers. Whenever anyone mentions the word coding to you, what sort of things come to your mind? When I was in the classroom, I thought, coding's not for me. It's too hard. And I don't teach computer classes. I also thought, nah, coding looks neat, but I don't have time to learn something that's complicated and new. But here's the thing, coding is actually for everyone, no matter the level or age. Students and teachers alike want to feel successful. And part of our role as an educator is to make sure our students have the skills they need to be successful adults. And coding can play a role in that. So join the team, the Instructional Technology Professional Learning Team that is, as we take you on a journey through creative coding and show you that you can do this. Before we start though, we want to give you a friendly reminder. It's important to stay vigilant in protecting students and their personally identifiable information. So keep this in mind as you're going through any online platforms or programs. Today, I'm going to take you through the Hour of Code website and give you a general overview. The Hour of Code website can be found at hourofcode.com/US. On this website, we're going to be looking at block coding as well as Python coding. So without further ado, here's the Hour of Code website. When you go to the website, the landing page looks like this. It's interactive and it has all kinds of information. There's a tutorial video on what Hour of Code actually is, and it shows how many other people in the world are using Hour of Code. Clicking on Activities is going to bring up this page. Again, it's going to show you going beyond an hour, and it has how to host an hour or a how-to guide for you, clickable right here. You also have the different grade levels on these tabs, and these are the suggested grade levels, but you can mix and match as needed. You can also filter for beginner or comfortable. Running along the side, you're going to see some other filter options. You can sort by what's recommended, who's created them, classroom technology, topics, the activity type, length, accessibility, and the two languages we mentioned before, Block and Python. At the top is the How To tab, and this gives you some extra information as educators. It also shows you how you can promote within your school and community. And I really like the frequently asked questions section of the website with these easy drop-downs. Interested in learning more? Then check out our creative coding course in Canvas. As a matter of fact, go to this video's description and self-enroll. There's a link here for you. We hope that you'll participate. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to check out our other recommended videos and don't forget that self-enrollment link here in the description, because that is A Byte of Tech.